Ever wonder what happens in the blink of an eye when a firearm is discharged? Beneath the surface, a precisely orchestrated series of events unfolds in mere milliseconds. Today, we'll take a look inside the intricate mechanics that make it all possible. It all starts with the trigger pull, which releases the sear, allowing the hammer or striker to fall forward. The hammer or striker then moves forward, driving the firing pin into the cartridge base. The firing pin strikes the primer at the base of the cartridge, igniting the gunpowder within. This rapid combustion creates expanding gases that propel the bullet down the barrel at incredible speed. In semi-automatic designs, the same force cycles the action, ejecting the spent casing and chambering the next round. The firing pin initiates the explosion by delivering a sharp impact to the primer. The hammer or striker provides the kinetic force needed for that impact. The sear is the critical link that holds and precisely times the release. The cartridge contains the primer, powder, bullet, and casing, each with a specific role in the sequence. Many barrels feature rifling, helical grooves that impart spin for stability and accuracy. Together, these parts form a precise system tuned for timing, force, and containment of pressure. The seemingly instantaneous act of firing a firearm is a complex interplay of precisely engineered parts working in harmony. Understanding these mechanics gives insight into the science and engineering behind them.